Today, I'll show you guys my newbie YouTuber editing and gaming budget PC build.
Do you feel the vibes?
Empty streets, but I kept searching for.
For starters, since I was mainly going to use the same PC for gaming and editing, I went with MSI's 8GB RX 570 Armored GPU for 9,950 pesos. For me, this is the best value for money since it was way lower than the RX 580. In price comparison, even though they almost have the same performance and just a bit higher price than the GTX 1050 Ti, which was fine for me. Then I got an AMD Ryzen 3 2200 for 5,400 pesos. I went with AMD because it was lower priced than Intel. And to be honest, I really like AMD when it comes to gaming. As for the motherboard, I went with MSI's A320M. It was the lowest I could find that's using an AM4 socket. And since this is a budget build, I went with this instead. This is worth 3,050 pesos. I'm also using an 8GB 2666 MHz HyperX Fury for my RAM. This is worth 2,150 pesos. I wanted to go with the 3000 MHz, but they didn't have any stocks when I came. For my storage, I decided to go for SSD instead of the normal HDD or hard drive. Because I wanted a faster boot up time and loading of softwares, I'm using a Kingston 240GB worth 1,600. But if you guys have the budget, I recommend you go for the 128GB SSD so you could still have a fast drive and boot up time and a 1TB hard disk for a higher storage capacity. For the power supply, as always, I'm using my trusted Corsair VS550, 550 watts, and this is for 2,520 pesos. These are all encased in the TechWare Nexus C worth 1,900 pesos. And finally, for my monitor, I used Asus VZ249HE 24 inches LED IPS frameless. This is for 7,980 pesos. All that for a total of 34,550 pesos. In the end, I found that this build is ample enough for a mid-gaming and editing PC. Overall, I'm really happy with it, and of course, its performance. In my next video, I'll share with you guys all the software tools I use for editing and recording my YouTube videos. See you soon!